5 foods to limit for better liver health. Your liver performs over 500 functions every single day. It filters your blood. It digests fat. It regulates your blood sugar. It removes toxins from your body. And it sees everything you eat before any other organs does. I'm Harriet, an agriculturalist and nutrition educator. And today, I'm showing you 5 foods that is silently damaging your liver and what to eat instead. Stay with me till the end because number 3 is the one most people eat almost every day and believe that it is completely okay. But research and science says otherwise. Number 1 food we're gonna be talking about is added sugar and high fructose corn syrup. Most people think sugar only affects weight. It is destroying your liver. And here is why. When fructose floods inside your liver, it converts the excess directly into fat, which it stores in your liver cells. This is called de novo lipogenesis, building new fat inside the liver. Over time, this leads to fatty liver disease, now the most common liver condition in the world, affecting 1 in 4 adults globally. This is hidden in soda, fruit juice, flavored yogurt, packaged bread, breakfast cereals. You don't have to eat dessert to be flooding your liver with fructose because it is in almost every packaged. Limit or cut sugary drink and replace with water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Food number 2, refined carbohydrate and white flour, white bread, white rice, and white pasta spike your blood sugar instantly. Your pancreas releases a surge of insulin to bring it back down. When this happens every day, your cells stop responding to insulin and insulin resistance develops. Your liver now compensates by producing more glucose and converting carbohydrates into liver fat. Refined carbohydrates lack fiber, the thing that slows glucose absorption and feed good gut bacteria. A disrupted gut sends inflammatory signals directly to your liver through the portal vein. Gut inflammation becomes liver inflammation. Eat oats, lentils, and beans, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and brown rice. This releases glucose slowly and protects the liver. Food number 3, sugary drinks and diet drinks. Research presented at UEG Week 2025, following over 123,000 adults, found that people drinking more than 250 grams of diet drinks daily had a 60% increased likelihood of developing metabolic fatty liver disease. Both sugary drink and diet drink we are linked to higher fatty liver levels. Why do diet drink damage liver? Because artificial sweeteners disrupt your gut bacteria. That disruption increases intestinal permeability and inflammatory compounds travels directly to your liver every single day. Replace with water, green tea, Black coffee. These are proven liver protectors, not liver burdens. Food number 4, fried food and trans fat. Trans fats are not recognized as natural fats by your liver. Your liver cannot process it efficiently. They trigger inflammatory pathway inside the cell, activating immune cells called kappa cell that begin attacking liver tissues. Heated seed oil also creates oxidized fat-free radicals that directly damage the liver cell membrane. Your liver uses antioxidants to neutralize these free radicals. When those reserve runs out, liver cell dies. Repeated exposure leads to chronic liver inflammation, which over years progresses to fibrosis scar tissue forming inside your liver. Food number 5, processed red meat, e.g., bacon, sausage, and hot dog. These attack your liver, and here is the 3 reasons. Number 1 is high saturated fat drive fat accumulation inside the liver cells. Number 2 is high sodium. New research link excess salt intake directly to increased fatty liver disease risk. The third one is advanced glycation end product. When food is smoked, cured, or fried at high temperature, advanced glycation end product forms the protein. They are absorbed through the gut and delivers straight to your liver, triggering oxidative stress and accelerating liver damage. Replace with white cod fish, egg, legume, chicken breast, etc. This nourishes your liver instead of abandoning it. What your liver loves: black coffee, extra virgin olive oil, leafy greens, fatty fish, turmeric, walnut, garlic, etc. Limit added sugar and high fructose corn syrup, refined carbohydrates, white flour, sugary drinks and diet drink, fried food and trans fat, processed red meat. Your liver can regenerate, but it needs you to stop feeding it what is damaging it and start feeding it what helps it heal. Watch this video up here on the 7 foods that heals your liver and burn belly fat without dieting. I will link it in the description below. Do well to click on it. Subscribe for more health tips. And don't forget to share this video because it helps this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.